Hi there and welcome to Easy Peasy English. Today, we will follow one person's daily routine. You will hear time expressions and common English verbs. Listen carefully. Try to repeat and learn new words. Let's begin.
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I turn off my alarm. Then, I stretch. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face and take a shower. I get dressed and go to the kitchen. For breakfast, I usually eat cereal and drink coffee. Sometimes, I make eggs or toast. While I eat, I like to watch the news or check my phone. At around 7:15, I pack my bag and leave the house. I usually walk to school, but if it's raining, I take the bus. The school is about 15 minutes away. On the way, I like to listen to music or a podcast. I usually arrive at school at 7:45 a.m. My classes start at 8 o'clock. I usually have 2 or 3 classes in the morning. In class, I take notes, ask questions, and listen to the teacher. Sometimes, we work in groups or give presentations. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I usually bring my own lunch. Sometimes I eat a sandwich, fruit, or rice and chicken. If I forget my lunch, I buy food from the cafeteria. Lunchtime is also a chance to relax and check messages. After lunch, I have 1 or 2 more classes. Sometimes we have a test or a quiz. At around 3 p.m., I finish school and go home. When I get home, I usually change clothes and rest for a bit. I might watch TV, read a book, or scroll through my phone. Then, I start my homework. I eat dinner at around 6:30 p.m. Sometimes my family eats together. We talk about our day and relax. After dinner, I help wash the dishes. In the evening, I might go for a walk, play a game, or talk with family. Sometimes I watch a movie or a show. If I'm tired, I just relax. Around 9:30 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I read. Before sleeping, I like to think about my day and plan for tomorrow. At around 10 p.m., I go to bed. I try to get at least 8 hours of sleep. Thank you for watching this daily routine in English. We hope it helped you improve your listening and vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English practice. See you in the next video.